Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will create some custom lists in Excel. As you can see that when we write 1 and 2 we can generate its series, and when we write Jan and Feb and when we drag this you can see that we can generate these series of months. We have option to create such list in Excel. So for this, let's go to File, then Options. Select Advanced. And here you can see that we have this in Journal, Edit Custom Lists button. And here you can see that we have the list of days, months, and by clicking New List we can generate our own list. Let's suppose I want to add a list of grades from PG to A2. After making the list, click the Add button. Now the list is added, and then click the OK button and then OK. And now when we write PG and when we drag this, you can see that it generated the list. A custom list in Excel is very handy to fill a range of cells with your own personal list. It could be a list of your team members at work, countries, regions, phone numbers, or customers. The main goal of a custom list is to remove repetitive work and manual errors in inputting. So let's take another look. Go to the File and then Option and then in Advanced. Click this Edit option and here you can edit your list. You can modify this list anytime. You can even select the list from an existing series from your worksheet. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.